Here I have CAVION 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, then ringtone. You can select one of the preset ringtones, you can select just no ringtone, or you can just add your own song, melody. If you have the MP3 file on your memory, you can just set it as a ringtone, but as you can see I don't have any ringtone, so I just gonna select one of the preset ones. Let's listen to some of them. I guess I'll just stay with this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.